Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Open Settings, search Do Not Disturb. Do click on Do Not Disturb. Here you will see Do Not Disturb, and if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Do Not Disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, allow notification. Open settings, scroll down, click on notifications, click on app notifications. Here you will see apps. Select app that you want to allow notification. After selecting app, click on app. Now here you will see allow notification, and if you want to turn on or allow notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.